Gaza nation. Hear what I say? Want to know if the file script they were them have when the judge in the court of appeal asks the police who used the phone, because the metadata expert proved it to the judge, said the phone has been tampering and the phone used and the voice note message on the phone has been on the phone 3 weeks before them said this guy named Lizard missing. And the police tell the court that he don't know who used the phone. It look like the phone call itself. Yo, Gaza nation, them stupidness, they are going to go to the Privy Council. Watch. Hear me, man? Hey, the world, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what I go on. Careful the thing. Hear me, man? Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know it go already. Full effect thing. You know it go? When you load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. Hey, are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, Gaza nation. You know the campaign to the road to freedom for the world boss on right here now. And you know, say, it on even more powerful than ever. You see what I deal with? Because right here now, Gaza nation, it out of the justice system and in a Jamaica. And they are the Privy Council right about now. And all you hear that they are saying Gaza nation, and men and people who don't like the world boss and want to run them big and chat all kind of stupidness. All what them must say, it don't freeze we. Because more time we not going to run up our mouth with some people where illiterate and want to talk vulgar and just go want to talk brawling. But when it comes on to no farmer intellect, their mouth shut up. We're not in no argument with them type of people that can hear what go on. The best thing about this thing, this Privy Council thing, you know what I mean? Remember, you know, the Privy Council, you know, give the man them, you know, the right, you know, to come forward, you know, with new evidence in the court, you know. You see what I deal with? And that way, the Jamaica justice system black out of the court of appeal, you know. You see what I deal with? So, you see, in a Jamaica, oh, them are go on like say, well then, a Vybz cartel have to move heaven and earth to prove it to the court or the people them. So well then, him don't commit that murder there. Let me tell you something. It's not like that at the Privy Council, you know. Because right now, you know, the best thing, you know, where I go for Vybz cartel right now, you know, one more sound and I look upon, you know. Right now, you know, the prosecutor, you know, them have to prove it to the court, you know, say the guy die, you know. Them going to have to go prove that to the Privy Council, you know, say the guy die, you know. You know what I mean? That me I make you know, you know. And I like Jamaica, you know, and a one-way street shit this thing are going, you know, not enough roller coaster ride, you know. Them going to have to prove it to the Privy Council, say the guy died. That's why them give the guy 35 years. You see what I deal with? And that is something where them cannot prove. And me, I don't know that already. And them not have no new evidence about that. No gimmicks not in it. And a lollipop thing. So make us see what I go on. And make us see what them are going to bring forward. You know what I mean? Because them going to have to prove it to the Privy Council. Say yeah, the guy died. Or them are going to prove it. You know what I mean? Them not have nobody, no remainder of the guy bones now, nothing at all. Furthermore, which part them claim the murder take place? The man them burn down the house and not only do that, bulldozer down the house too. You see what I deal with? And all them things that them going to have to go answer to. Because the case shaky long time. You see what I say? The case shaky like zinc fence when all the winner blow and no gimmicks business. So all you hear them attack them now have no concrete. And this is why you see them they draw the man case and I pull it out so long and I go on with bare rigmarole. Because them they want him get fed up and upset. What them a do? Them never know him would have take it to this far. Them never know him would have go all the way. You see me? All the way. Yes I can. I wanna keep going. All the way. Yes, baby, all the fucking way. I don't have no gimmicks thing. The general, the 10-star one I represent in a full effect. Gaza Nation, you know, each and every time I represent, you know what type of impact it bring. A loud explosion thing. And I keep telling you from what they are, you make sure you share the video because you are part of the loud explosion when I create out there, you know. Without the loud explosion now going to exist now even matter, you know. I want to know that, you know. So you want to know so each and every one of the Gaza member them, all the Gaza subscriber them, you know, say 10 stars, respect to the fullest, you know. You know the thing going on. But right now, you know, you see Sikkarymes drop the big bad song, right? Oh, no like it, Gaza Nation. Eh? Oh, no like it. Or what them here about? Eh? What them here about? Right now, you know, Gaza Nation. I have to tell you, you know, so you have to go over Sikkarymes Vivo, you know, go full it up, you know, and flood it up, you know, and stream him music, you know, and set him apart from enough boy where he run up at them mouth, you know. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks no in it, Gaza Nation. A real thing I deal with, no farmer lollipop thing. So I make certain, so I go support Sikkarymes. Big song where him drop. I love it. You know what I mean? Nice song. You know what I mean? And it drop the right time too. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So when you know what you're supposed to do, go work on that and make sure certain Sikkarymes have a good look on them Vivo and no gimmicks thing. I make the song look good and trending. You see what I deal with? No lollipop thing in a Gaza Nation and the 10-star one I represent. So we still ask what they have to bring to the Privy Council Gaza Nation. Huh? Because you can't go there, you know, with the way you think, you know. Yeah. You can't go there with the way you think. We don't think them upset that. You know what I mean? So we want to know what substance them have. Because remember from first them never have no form of evidence, you know. You know what I mean? Or even in the court of appeal, you know. No form of evidence said we, you know. You see me, it's just a bulletin go on, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. But we are going to see how when them have to explain themselves and them have to bring all them transcripts come to the court, to the Privy Council. Make us see how it go. Because remember, you know, how much page a transcript, you know, 1,000 hard, you know. Vybz kartel lawyer them have, you know. And the Privy Council, you know, just come with a leaf, you know, with a couple of things right up, you know. Not the Privy Council, the prosecutor I should say. Come with us a leaf. A thing we write up. You see what I say? Yeah, we want them bring all of them nonsense there, where them tell the court, where them speak in the court in Jamaica. We want them bring it to the Privy Council. You know what I mean? Yeah, all them stupidness there. And we want the deep, I want the district attorney, I want she stand up strongly in front of the Privy Council and try to defend all of them stupidness there, where them go on with in them court system in Jamaica. You see me? And I talk about the man guilty and I play tough and I hang mean. You know what I mean? and I go like so well then. Them are them rule justice. You know what I mean? Yeah, them are the king and lord and queen for justice. I saw them with that go on, you know, the man case, you know. That's what I deal with when them cannot prove nothing at all, you know. That's what I deal with. Them can't even prove that this man has been murdered, but you want to lock up somebody's feet. How stupid is that? A back way you not think or what? You know what I mean? Enough clown all run up them mountain, hear all a clown, they on them live. And hear him now, because through him know the world boss thing I go to the Privy Council, and them know say, well then, the case shaky, but a different and a neutral grounds it I go on. Hear them now? Yeah, me well want him come out. As him come out, we send alkaline to kill him. What the fuck? What? What? What's that? What's that he's saying? What the fuck is this guy saying? Yo, listen to me. And listen to me carefully. When Vybz Kartel touch road, the demands of Vybz Kartel inner, not all of him would have a binoculars, him still couldn't say alkaline. Him all get too small, just like a mustard seed. The man can't see him. The demands of Vybz Kartel have a inner. There ain't no way him can see alkaline. And why him should have that demands are even looking at alkaline? Looking at him for what? What kind of demands alkaline inner? The black of them chat up them mouth boy, YouTube trending. That's it. Vybz Kartel now run down them thing them, my brother. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel now run down them thing there, you know. That's what I deal with. The guy now have a billboard hit. The guy now go on with nothing too tough. And una talk about say World Boss, when World Boss come out, when World Boss come out, him can chat all him want. Him look like a little Brambles Clifford because the World Boss will not look at him because him won't be a factor at that time. I can bet you and win you because he's not even a factor right now. And right now, I be a hilarious thing them Azria I do forget them name call up in a dance hall. Just like this guy where Azria perform, this rap artist where Azria perform, and I strip off him clothes and I run up and down in him drawers. Me hear him out for do a collaboration with. Yo, for the man them like some stupid, ridiculous things, so. Eh? A guy that like mix up himself in some ridiculous thing, man. I don't even a joke thing. Girl a bad, you know, man. I say bad, you know what I mean? Yeah. Bad girl. Yeah, no farmer gimmicks thing. You know the general, the 10-star one. You know me there I represent, you know a full defective. Alright, about now, I'm about for step on it because a clock means a man about for clock in anytime right about now. Now I left all my mask organization. I never have no time to tie up my ass clock nose. You see me? Yeah, you know we work already in a Gaza nation. No formal lollipop thing in our game, you know. When we are stepping on concrete way, you know.